Hari Om, everyone.
Hari Om, Swamiji.
Hari Om. So,
Hari Om, Swamiji. Hari Om.
Hari Om, Swamiji.
From Trivandrum. Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Hari Om, Swamiji.
Hari Om. So we are here at Ghatopar. Our Nutanji is here. Brahmachari Prachiti ji is here. All of you can come. So here is our team. Those who have come. And we are here in this school to distribute about 500 plus kits for the students. Many of them are the students of people working in the streets, etc. And this is a government aided school, as well as the trust funds the expenditure of the children. And every day there is some Annadan also happening here in this school. So here we are. Our principal madam, who is here of the school, she is the principal here,
Nanda madam.
Nanda ji, and she will explain to you how the school runs here and who are the children here, who are the beneficiaries. So then we will be starting the distribution program. So Nanda ji will explain to you.
Hari Om, all. We are very lucky to have Swamiji today in our school. All because of Nutanji's help, and all you people you have helped us a lot. I have 930 students from KG to 10th. They are from slums, and we are aided section, so we get salary from the government, but remaining all the expenses done by the trust, our management, and many donors like you. From April lockdown onwards, we have started giving them ration also, because they are especially daily wages workers. And due to lockdown, everything was for them, it was very difficult. Some parents started their girls to beg in the market, that our teacher get to know. So we started this ration program during lockdown. And just now I told Swamiji about our 5,000 sponsorship scheme. I would like to tell you in short about that. In 5,000 rupees for a year, you are sponsoring a girl child. A total education expenses done from this 5,000, including uniform, shoes, bag, books, total accessories about the required for school learning, like workbooks, drawing book, everything. Plus sports coaching, we have 6 coaches: athletics, gymnastics, basketball, chess, taekwondo, and rope malkham. So all these 6 sports are taught. Special coaches are coming. So that amount is also used from this sponsorship amount. Plus we have educational tip and extra exams, government exams. For that, fees also is been taken from this amount. We always help these underprivileged girls, because our trust mission and motto is to teach girl child. So Sanskrit Nari Jagat Kalyankari, so that a girl will be educated, she will help the society to means convert into the educated society. So it's a great thing that you all have joined hands, and with your help we are going to give notebook from your Chinmaya Mission Trust. And thank you so much, Swamiji. Thank you.
And other stationery items.
Yes, and, yes, notebooks, pen, pencil, and crayons, erasers, and thank you so much.
You can tell the name of the school.
Yes, our school's name is Shri Pandit Ratnachandraji Jain Kanya Shala. In short form, we say SPR Jain Kanya Shala. And the very short name is Ratna Chintamani, because the school is from 1924. We are celebrating, means we have completed 96 years, and this is 97th year. 2023, we are going to celebrate our century year. So, thank you so much.
Nutanji, you want to share anything? So lot of,
and I'm thankful to Someshwar sir, because every year he is helping my kids to learn Gita chanting. Yeah. Last 3-4 years I've connected with him, and from primary to secondary, many girls are taking part, and sir and ma'am both are taking so much pains to teach them, and I'm overwhelmed with their help.
Hari Om. I got a phone call from Ranjana madam about 3-4 years before, whether you can come and chant, teach Bhagavad Gita. And then next year onwards, I started teaching Gita. And so many children, when we see those girls, it is so nice to see them. in one uniform, and they are so polished children. We cannot say that they are from the lowest strata of society. And one thing I want to tell is that Nandana madam and primary principals, they are taking so much interest so that their children should learn Bhagavad Gita. And Nandana madam saw that the 10th standard children are compulsorily learning Bhagavad Gita, because afterwards there is no connection and they go for their own life. But then she wants to give samskara to the children of 10th standard, and all the children of 10th standard A and B division, they are coming and learning Bhagavad Gita. So I'm really indeed blessed to be part of this school, and I pray that this school should prosper day by day. Hari Om.
So that is how the Seva has been planned here. There are so many children who learn the Gita also. So Gita chanting is happening, and this Seva also is happening of distribution of books, etc. Our volunteers come and teach, and there's a lot of support from the school principal and everyone here. So now the parents have come, and we will be giving the kits to all of them. And we also have Prachiti ji here. She is the Acharya of our Chembur Narayan zone, the Chinmay Narayan zone, Chembur Ghatkopar.
So this is one of the starts of the Maximize Happiness program. So we are very thankful for all the donors for participating so enthusiastically, and we will have many such programs going on. So you will also be happy that you gave for a good cause. And I'm here at the school and I'm amazed. They have a school and also they have a college, and in both places they're doing a wonderful job. Like for 1 year, just 5,000 rupees to get a quality education. I've seen the tables, chairs, computers. They provide so much of facilities to these children that they don't think that they have lacked something when they have gone out of the school. And these days, when people think there is no time for Bhagavad Gita chanting and all that in 10th standard, I'm very happy that Madam has told that it should be done, because as she says, after a particular age, we don't have any control over the children. They do only what they do. So what we teach when they're young, that's what stays in their mind. So when she said that she's made it compulsory, it's a great thing. I think many schools have to learn from what Madam is putting into this school. Thank you again for all the donations that you've been giving. Hari Om.
Hari Om. So our Maximize Happiness program, Gurudev's motto, maximum happiness to maximum people for maximum time, is being fulfilled beautifully here today. And I thank the principal, Nutanji, all volunteers, everybody who has come today here and who has organized this program, so that we are able to do some seva and reach out to those who require this. And Vidyadan, it is said, Annadanam Mahaddanam Vidyadanam Ataparam. Danam Mahattamam Chatra Yat Shastre Abhayam Smritam. So Annadan is great. Greater than Annadan is Vidyadan. But greater than Vidyadan is the Abhayadan. And here, all the three are happening in this school. Annadan they are doing, Vidyadan also they are doing, and through the Gita chanting, Abhayadan also is happening, where the knowledge of the self is being given to all. So it is a beautiful place doing human service, and we pray to the Lord and Puja Gurudev that the blessings of the Supreme be always with all of them who are working so selflessly here, and may more and more lamps be lit in more and more hearts. We are in the Deepavali week, the festival of lights, festival of celebration. So may more and more lamps be lit in many, many more hearts. And in each of our hearts, may the lamp of selflessness, of service, of joy be lit, and we experience absolute happiness also. So thank you everyone. Now you will see the parents who will come, and now we will be doing the distribution. So we have 5th, 6th, 7th on this side where the distribution will happen for the students. And on this side we have for this side you will see, this is for the 8th, 9th and 10th. So there are two different rows, and we will be having the distribution happening simultaneously. So this is a separate kit for 8, 9, 10. This is a kit which has this blue ribbon, and for 5, 6, 7, this is the kit. This is what is being given to all of them. So there are these books, these notebooks which are being given to all of them. So about 10 books are there. And the pen, pencil, eraser. And for selected students, there is crayons also. So these are the crayons, and these crayons are what are being given to some specific students who need the crayons. So that side we have Prachiti ji, who is giving for the 6, 7, 5, 6, 7.
चिन्मया मिशन, थैंक यू हमारे बच्चों को गिफ्ट देने के लिए। थैंक यू सो मच। हमारे बच्चे को बुक देने के लिए थैंक यू।
Okay, so we will be ending this meeting today here. Some other time, we will, next Seva initiative, we will let you know. Hari Om. Thank you everyone for joining today.